In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to organize your week to maximize your productivity. So let's get started. Perspective plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/perspective plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone, I'm Christina B. Rising and welcome to the Perspective Plan Show, where I help you boost your productivity and stay organized so that you can easily handle whatever life throws at you. I upload new videos and podcasts every single week, so be sure to subscribe so that you won't miss anything. Shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at perspectiveplans.com. And last but not least, this episode would not be possible without the support of our Perspective Plans patrons and channel members. Thank you. Now let's get into this episode. Let's talk about how to organize your week to maximize your productivity. If you're someone who's struggling to get things done during the week or find yourself constantly running out of time, then this video is just for you. Tip 1, create a schedule. The first step to optimizing your productivity is scheduling. You can maintain your attention, organization, and focus throughout the whole week. You may prioritize your duties, set out time for each activity, and make sure that you do all of your work within the allotted time limit by making a timetable. It's crucial to estimate how much time each job will take while planning your timetable. The time it takes to accomplish a task can be easily overestimated or even underestimated, which can disrupt your entire day. As a result, be sure to provide adequate time for each activity, accounting for any potential delays or pop-ups that may arise in your day. Using time blocking, which is allotting particular time windows for each work on your agenda, is a very helpful idea. By using this technique, you may avoid becoming distracted by other activities and maintain your attention on one thing at a time. It is also simple to see your calendar and prioritize your week by using color coding or labels to distinguish between different types of tasks. Using a planner, calendar, or app to keep you organized and on track is an additional useful tool. Several programs like Google Calendar, Trello, or even Asana are available that may help you with your time management, task tracking, and of course, scheduling. Lastly, it's crucial to have a flexible schedule. It's crucial to be able to modify your timetable in response to unforeseen disruptions or crises. As a result, try to be flexible with your schedule and leave room for whatever may happen in your day. It is well to be up before daybreak, for such habits contribute to health, wealth, and wisdom. Aristotle. Tip 2, stick to your schedule. Making a timetable is one thing, following it is quite another. To enhance your productivity, it's critical to maintain discipline and commitment to your routine. Procrastination and diversion should be avoided, and you should make sure you honor your obligations. To increase productivity and accomplish your goals, you must adhere to your schedule. Even though making a timetable is a fantastic first step, it is still crucial to carry out your strategy and remain dedicated to it. If you spend too much time thinking about a thing, you'll never get it done. Bruce Lee. Tip 3, take breaks. One of the most important yet sometimes ignored factors in maintaining productivity throughout the day is taking breaks. Short breaks have been demonstrated in studies to promote creativity, decrease stress, and increase your productivity. So taking breaks throughout the day should be a part of your routine if you want to maximize your productivity. Taking pauses has so many advantages. First of all, taking pauses allows you to mentally refresh and avoid burnout. Your brain grows exhausted when you work for extended periods of time without taking a break, which can make it more difficult to focus and remember information. You may return to your job with a fresh energy and attention by taking little breaks that enable your brain to rest and recharge. Success is a lousy teacher. It seduces smart people into thinking they can't lose. Bill Gates. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com, helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 4, reflect on your progress. Consider your progress each week and the conclusion of the week. Have you finished all of your tasks? Were there any difficulties or unforeseen pauses? Make changes to your weekly routine in light of this reflection. To increase productivity, it's crucial to reflect on your progress. You may find areas for improvement and make future changes to your schedule and workflow by taking some time at the end of each week to reflect on what you accomplished and what you weren't able to. What we fear doing most is usually what we most need to do. Tim Ferriss. Tip 5, be flexible. While it's necessary to try your best to keep your schedule, it's equally critical to be adaptable and open to unforeseen events. Don't be hesitant to change your plans if something unforeseen arises, and set priorities appropriately. The secret is to keep your eyes open on your objectives and make sure you're making good use of your time. Your mind is for having ideas, not holding them. David Allen. Tip 6, avoid procrastination. One of the biggest enemies of productivity is procrastination. It's critical to realize when you're putting something off and take steps to stop. Your activities might feel less daunting and be simpler to complete if you divide them into smaller, more manageable chunks. You may also want to use the Pomodoro method, which I covered in a past video, and I'll leave that down below, which is working for a certain period of time, often 25 minutes, and then pausing for a little period of time. Sometimes things may not go your way, but the effort should be there every single night, Michael Jordan. Tip 7, hold yourself accountable. When you don't feel like working, it's simple to find an explanation or absolve yourself of responsibility. Holding yourself responsible for adhering to your timetable will help you battle with this. Tracking your development and putting deadlines on yourself are two ways you can do this. You may also want to ask a friend or a coworker to help you out with this so that you can stay accountable and on track. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain. Tip 8, analyze your challenges. Consider the difficulties you encountered last week. Were there any unforeseen pauses or diversion that reduced your output? Did you come into any stumbling blocks or obstacles? Identify solutions to deal with these difficulties in the future using this information. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Walt Disney. Tip 9, make adjustments. Adjust your itinerary for the coming week in light of your contemplation. This should entail shifting priorities, allocating more time for specific pursuits, or removing less important duties. The objective is to come up with a timetable that is difficult yet doable. Action is the foundational key to all success. Pablo Picasso. Tip 10, learn from your mistakes. If you didn't succeed in completing all that you set out to achieve, don't be too harsh on yourself. Instead, take use of your errors as a chance to improve. Determine what you might have done instead and apply this knowledge to increase your productivity going forward. Life is too complicated not to be orderly. Martha Stewart. So those are all the tips I have for you. To increase your productivity, planning your week ahead of time may be an easy and successful strategy. You'll be well on your way to reaching your objectives and getting things done by prioritizing your chores, making a timetable, adhering to it, taking pauses, and considering your progress. The key is not to prioritize what's on your schedule, but to schedule your priorities. Stephen Covey. Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip on our list. Tip 1, create a schedule. Tip 2, stick to your schedule. Tip 3, take breaks. Tip 4, reflect on your progress. Tip 5, be flexible. Tip 6, avoid procrastination. Tip 7, hold yourself accountable. Tip 8, analyze your challenges. Tip 9, make adjustments. Tip 10, learn from your mistakes. Luck is only so important in so far as getting the chance to sell yourself at the right moment. After that, you've got to have the talent and know how to use it. Frank Sinatra. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.